Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tigashire, titambire to the Pamvura Mbira Art Center, where culture is being revived. Ngoma, mbira, wosho, marimba. Chivanu chedu, chivanu chedu. Let me inspire before I expire. Words of wisdom, I respire. I will not retire. I have all the power. Young people, let's aim very higher. Poverty is burning like fire. Let's fight poverty with AK-47, which is education. It is being uttered by the Pamvura Mbira Art Center in every location. The Pamvura Mbira Art Center, it's time to take over. Let the good news of art spread all over. It is possible with Jehovah. It's not over until it's over.
The Pamvura is an art center which is located in Noto. Its main focus is reviving the cultural aspects of young children, especially school children. What are the services that are offered at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center? A variety of services. Firstly, we offer Mbira lessons as the Pamvura Mbira Art Center. But not only do we offer Mbira lessons, we also cater for all kinds of arts. What else can we offer at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center? Poetry. We have very vibrant poetry sessions at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center. We offer unlimited free Wi-Fi at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center. We have a swimming pool in the Pamvura Mbira Art Center. Welcome to the Pamvura Mbira Art Center, where children are being empowered, the youth are being educated, where free Wi-Fi for learning, free Wi-Fi for educational purposes, and where children can come and discuss that my friend.
Today I just gave a visit at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center, which is another. The Pamvura Mbira Art Center, we offer free Wi-Fi for children just to do their researching. They have free swimming pool for leisure. They have library. They have studio, and they teach children how to play Mbira just in 2 days' time. And they also teach children how to make Mbira and traditional worship. Here at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center, they sell traditional food like Sazareshiyo, Sazarebuda. Here at the Pamvura Mbira Art Center, people come here just to do their weddings and